be teaching how to take a note in Google Keep. So, first, put your title related to the topic. Like, for example, I was researching about sharks. I would just put the title sharks. Then take the note related to the topic. Make sure it's related to the topic and not off topic. Make it on topic, like sharks hunt. That can be a note. If you wanted to share this with somebody, just click on the button and just enter their email. If you want to change the color of the note, you could just change it to this, or any color you want from these options. And if you want to archive a note, just click here and archive. If you want to undo, you can undo it. Hopefully you have a good day and subscribe to our channel. Let's have fun on A Square. Hopefully this inspired you to take a note in Google Keep and you learned how to do it. Bye and